Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is DJ. Today we are back with another crypto video, and today I wanted to make kind of an informative video about Pulsechain and a right or the right way to take profits from this mechanism, from this return of investment. This is actually quite important because I've seen some people asking in the Telegram, which, by the way, I'm going to leave all the links to this project in the description. If this is your first video about Pulsechain, there's another video that I probably made, so you can check my channel out. I do make regular updates to Pulsechain and informative, helpful videos such as this. And today we're going to be jumping into how to take profits the right way, because if you guys didn't know, the Faucet, okay, it gives you 365% APY, right? So that's kind of the yearly return, right? So technically, you're really locked in at 3.65 times your initial deposit. But what if you wanted to continuously, withdraw or claim some of that money without reaching your maximum payout, right? Because it's 3.65, once you reach that number, your faucet is closed and can no longer make more money. So I kind of made an illustration that I think will be very helpful to some of you guys to understand what is my way that I'm trying to tell you guys how to solve this, right? So if you want to claim, you also want to claim it at a rate that's slightly slower than how much you're putting back or how much you're compounding. So that as your max payout grows and as your claimed grows, you want them to grow at a rate where the maximum payout is still farther or still growing at a slightly quicker rate than how much you're withdrawing, how much you're claiming. It's as simple as that, right? And I'm here just kind of showing you guys an illustration, right? Just to show you that, okay, once you have, let's say once you have compounded, this is basically how many times it adds it into your maximum payout. It adds, let's say you're making $5 per day, right? Which I wish I'm at that point. I'm almost there, okay? I'm at $6.8, but either way, I'm actually going to compound here. I've never missed a compound day, guys. I actually have not claimed a single time. Let me actually connect back to... Yep. Is this the right account? Yes, it is. Sometimes you just need to refresh. And then I'm just going to click compound. There we go, just to get this out the way. And the thing that I love about Pulsechain, which, by the way, I'm going to be making videos about Pulsechain, so absolutely stay tuned. I'm going to be making the upcoming projects that you want to invest in the pre-sale. We're talking about fetch.io, which is about the Oracle. Again, I'm going to be talking about this in a separate video, and there's another one called PowerCity.io. Again, still has not launched, but trust me, you want to stay tuned. So subscribe to this video to stay tuned with Pulsechain and its latest projects. Anyways, going back to it with the illustration. As you, for example, if you're making $5 a day and then you click on that compound button, what does it actually do to your maximum payout? It's a number that's hidden, I believe. I'm not sure if it's here. Oh, it does. It is there. Maximum payout. So your maximum payout gets increased by that $5 times 3.65, okay? And this is what I illustrated here. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, and then 6, 5. It's not a full fourth, right? So this is why my strategy, which I want to keep this video short, I just want you guys to understand the concept. My strategy is, if you want to, for example, take profits, which I don't blame you, right? You absolutely can do whatever you want. This is a solo sport at the end of the day, right? It's really up to you. Would you rather, compound for a little bit first and then start taking some profits here and there? But this is my strategy, which I'm not even following. I'm just telling you guys, for the people who want to start taking profits from now. If you're happy, you've entered the pre-sale, you want to now return your initial investment, etc., etc. There's multiple reasons why someone would want to claim. Anyways, for wherever that reason is, the best strategy is you'd want to compound on the third day, ladies and gentlemen, on the third day. Why? Because if you compound on the third day, that 0.65 is still ahead. So technically, if you compound on the third day, you will be so if you're withdrawing on the first day, second day, third day, which is what you've already compounded and it accounts for, you want to now if you claimed on the first day, second and third day, on the third day is where you want to compound again, because that 0.65 is still there, which actually gives you the leeway to keep that, you know, this is your claim, right? This is how much you've claimed, and this is your maximum payout. With compounding just before the third day or on the third day, you're leaving that gap, and it's actually slightly growing at a slightly higher rate than how much your claimed number is, total claimed, right? It sounds a little bit, you know, complicated, but to keep it simple, right? This is just my minimum. This is the minimum what you need to do, right? Obviously, if you wanna, you probably wanna compound more than you claim, to be honest with you guys, because, you know, we're just super early. You might as well just, you know, delay your gratification a little bit. You know, this is not the reason why you entered Pulsechain is not because, oh, I want to claim within the first month. Again, I'm just showing you guys this, not because I'm going to do it right now. This is just a strategy, just so you guys know, just to stay aware that, yo, your faucet can actually lock out. You don't want your total claimed to reach your maximum payout, because your faucet will be done. Even if it's worth $50,000, it will be done. Okay, so yeah, to keep it simple, you want to, you know, compound on the third day. That's the minimum, right? On the third day, but preferably you want to be compounding more than you're claiming, at least at the beginning, guys. Stay a little bit disciplined. We're just at the start. Looking at the graph, guys, we're just finding our floor. It seems like, you know, it did bounce down. I know, yeah, the hype phase is done, and now we've found our support level. Okay, seems like it's the support level, just as simple as that. Okay, and yeah, like who knows where, like, it's crazy. Who knows where are we gonna expect this to grow? I mean, I'm just using my Fibonacci. I don't really have a, you know, base to kind of base it on, but like, you know, the numbers are really high up there, guys. You know what I mean? We're looking at going back to 60. We're looking at going to $90. We're looking at breaking that triple digit dollars. Oof, I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. This is why I'm not actually claiming. I haven't claimed a single day, guys. And I'm also in the garden, which, by the way, I'll make a video about the garden, talking about how there's literally a stable coin staking, guys. That's crazy. But stay tuned if you want me to talk about the garden. Aside from that, this has been the video of how to take profits the right way. Do not reach your maximum payout, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you want to have your maximum payout grow at a slightly faster rate than your total claimed. That's the literal lesson of today. Hope you guys found this illustration as well helpful, and I hope you found this video informative. Again, my name is DJ Khaled, and I will be making more crypto videos about Pulsechain and any other quality projects. So if you have a quality project that you want to send it to me, you want me to review or hear opinions about, send it to me over my Telegram. I'm going to leave that in the description. It's at Coolide. Aside from that, guys, if you're new to the channel, give it a subscribe. Okay, my name is DJ Khaled. I would like to reach 2,000 subscribers. That'll be an amazing number to watch, to see as well. And this is my channel. I've been uploading crypto videos. You can go watch it. Aside from that, also give my Twitter a follow. Again, guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice rest of your day, and bye-bye.